This is an emergency alert from the Carcer City Police Department and Fire Department. A civil disturbance and industrial accident have been reported at the Dentons City Junkyard on Old County Road. A violent group identifying as the Skinz, known for neo-Nazi affiliations, is active in the area. Individuals are described as wearing white tank tops, displaying neo-Nazi marks, and may be armed. If you spot anyone suspicious bearing these identifiers, notify the authorities immediately. The identifiers are listed below. Concurrently, a fire and possible explosions involving hazardous materials have been reported at the facility. A mandatory evacuation order is in effect for all areas within a 1-mile radius. Residents are urged to proceed north via Route 9, avoid the southern perimeter, and steer clear of the junkyard and surrounding roads. This is not a test.